Hey guys, welcome back. This is Carson Cloud. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your global admin account. So if you lock yourself out or whatever reason, you can't get back into the tenant or the admin center, you can reset it. So the first thing you need to do is you need to set up your global admin account so that way you can retrieve the password. You don't have to call Microsoft support in order to access your tenant. So the first thing you need to do is you want to go into account. Um, I think it's my account .microsoft.com and hit enter. If you have not logged in yet, it's going to prompt you to log in. Let's log in with your global admin account. Once you're in here, you can click on My Sign In. It should be one of these. Let's click on Secure Information. So it is under Secure Information. So as you can see here, these are the method you use to sign into your account or reset your password. So now there is no configurations are set up here. So what you have to do is click on Add Method. Which method would you like to add? It gives you three options: the authentication app, phone, or email. I'm going to do email. Let's click on Add. I suggest that you do phone since you get a quicker response if you don't have access to your email. So I'm going to click email or enter email. I'm going to put in my personal email. Click next. So the code has been sent to my email. Let's log into my email here. I got the code. I'm going to copy and paste the code. I'm going to paste that here and click on next. So the secure information has been set up. And now if I lose my password or I need to retrieve my global admin account credentials password, I can reset it by it's going to send it to my personal email. You can change it, you can delete it, or you can add more method. And if you lose a device here, there's an option that says sign out everywhere. So all the devices that you log on currently, it's going to sign out for you. So that's it. That's how you set up the secure information. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.